Let's be honest for a second. How many of you have a box of baking soda sitting in your kitchen, probably tucked away in the back of the pantry, only pulled out when you need to bake some cookies? Or maybe it's there just to keep your fridge smelling fresh? Well, it's time to think outside the box because baking soda is way more than a humble baking companion. What if I told you that this little white powder could transform your health, beauty, and even cleaning routine? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, once you hear these 11 amazing uses, you'll be rushing to grab that box of baking soda faster than you can say cleaning miracle. Let's dive in. Number 11. Treat kidney disease. Who knew? Okay, let's start with something mind-blowing. Baking soda might help your kidneys. Yes, you read that right. According to Dr. Julian Whitaker, our bodies naturally produce a similar alkaline substance, but for people dealing with kidney disease, removing acid can be a struggle. Lucky for us, baking soda might just help. A study by British researchers found that sodium bicarbonate slowed kidney decline by a whopping 2/3. So, next time you're reaching for that little box, you might just be helping your kidneys stay healthier. But of course, consult with a doctor before trying it out. This isn't a cure-all. Number 10. Say goodbye to heartburn and indigestion. Is there anything worse than that uncomfortable burning sensation creeping up your chest after a heavy meal? Heartburn and indigestion are no joke. But don't reach for those over-the-counter antacids just yet. Instead, try this natural remedy. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in half a cup of water and drink it after your meal. It works wonders because baking soda is, well, a natural bicarbonate. It neutralizes stomach acid and provides quick relief. Plus, there's no need to worry about added chemicals that often come with commercial heartburn meds. In fact, many doctors recommend this natural remedy as a first step to avoid over-relying on antacids, which can sometimes cause more problems in the long run. Number 9. Be careful with oral hygiene, but still use it wisely. All right, let's clear the air here. Baking soda does wonders for your oral hygiene, but it's a bit tricky. Simply dipping your toothbrush into it and scrubbing away might sound like a good idea, but over time, that abrasive texture could wear down your enamel. The enamel is the protective outer layer of your teeth, and once it's gone, it doesn't grow back. Instead, stick with toothpaste brands that use baking soda as an ingredient. They got the right balance of power and safety for your pearly whites. Many commercial toothpaste products now feature baking soda because it's gentle enough to clean while not being too abrasive. So go ahead, give that toothpaste a nod of appreciation. But if you still want to use baking soda occasionally, just make sure to dilute it and don't scrub too hard. Using a soft bristled toothbrush can also minimize the risk of enamel erosion. Number 8. Mouthwash magic. Don't let your mouthwash routine get stale. Baking soda can help you get into all those nooks and crannies that brushing alone can't reach. How do you use it? Simple. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in half a glass of warm water, swish it around, and feel the freshness take over. It's like giving your mouth a spa day, and who doesn't love that? Baking soda works by neutralizing acids in your mouth, helping to fight bad breath and even keeping your gums in tip-top shape. Its properties go beyond just freshening your breath. They work to fight bacteria that cause plaque buildup and bad odors. Plus, it's a gentle solution, no harsh chemicals to worry about. After all, your mouth deserves the best, and baking soda is a safe and natural option that ensures a clean, fresh feeling all day long. Number 7. Soothing canker sores. Say goodbye to pain. Canker sores, those pesky little ulcers that feel like tiny knives in your mouth, they're enough to make anyone cringe. They hurt, they burn, and they seem to show up at the worst possible times. But here's a trick: baking soda. A study at Sunnybrook Hospital found that a baking soda therapy improved the condition of 7 out of 10 patients suffering from chronic ulceration. So, when you're dealing with a painful sore, mix some baking soda into warm water and use it as a rinse. The results might just surprise you. Number 6. Get whiter teeth without the harsh chemicals. We all want that dazzling smile, but sometimes whitening treatments are too harsh on our sensitive teeth. The chemicals in some over-the-counter whitening products can leave your teeth feeling sore and even cause long-term damage. Enter baking soda. Its mild abrasiveness helps to break down those annoying stains from coffee, wine, or whatever guilty pleasure you're indulging in. Bonus points. It also has antimicrobial properties to fight bad bacteria. This makes it a double whammy for both whitening and overall oral hygiene. Whether it's a morning cup of coffee or that glass of red wine you enjoy at dinner, baking soda can help keep your teeth sparkling without the need for expensive treatments. So smile away, your teeth are getting cleaner, and you didn't even have to break the bank. Number 5. Deodorant. No more stinky situations. Let's face it, sweating is natural, but smelling like a walking onion? Not so much. Here's where baking soda shines as your personal deodorant. Why? Because it neutralizes the acid in sweat, leaving you smelling fresh as a daisy. It's a simple solution that works wonders without all the chemicals in store-bought deodorants. Whether you're running late and forgot to apply or just prefer something natural, just dust a little baking soda under your arms and you're good to go. The best part, you won't have to worry about artificial fragrances masking the smell. Number 4. Boost your exercise performance? Yes, really. Who knew that baking soda could be your workout buddy? If you've ever experienced that uncomfortable burning sensation in your muscles during exercise, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That's lactic acid at work, which builds up in your muscles and lowers your pH, causing that dreaded fatigue. But baking soda can help buffer that acid, helping you work out longer and harder. A study published in Biomed Central found that participants who took baking soda before exercising performed better and felt less fatigued. It essentially helps your muscles tolerate the lactic acid buildup, giving you more stamina and endurance during your workouts. Next time you hit the gym, try a little baking soda boost. It's best to mix it with water before your workout, just don't go overboard. Too much baking soda can lead to a sodium overload, so a small dose is all you need for that extra energy boost. Number 3. Say goodbye to itchy skin and sunburns. Ouch! We've all been there. Too much sun, too little sunscreen, and now your skin is redder than a lobster. Don't worry. Baking soda has your back, literally. Its soothing properties help ease the discomfort caused by sunburns and itching. You can make a paste to apply directly to your skin, or even add it to your bath for a full-body treatment. Think of it as an all-natural remedy to make your sunburn a little more bearable. Baking soda helps reduce inflammation, soothe the skin, and provide a cooling effect when applied topically. It's like giving your skin the TLC it deserves after a long day under the sun. And if you're dealing with bug bites or other irritations, this same paste can help ease the itch and redness. So, no need to reach for the chemical-laden sunburn creams. Baking soda is a gentle and effective alternative. Number 2. Whitens your laundry. The magic of baking soda. Are your whites looking a bit off-white? Fear not. Baking soda is here to save the day. When dissolved in water, it interacts with acids and stains, making it easier to get rid of them. Plus, it helps brighten your laundry, so you'll never look at your laundry pile the same way again. Whether you're dealing with tomato sauce splatters or grass stains, a little baking soda can help bring your clothes back to life. Not only does it remove stains, but it also helps neutralize odors trapped in your clothes, leaving them smelling fresh. And guess what? It doesn't just work on whites. Toss some in with your colored laundry to keep everything looking vibrant and smelling great. So, next time your whites are looking dingy, reach for the baking soda and let it work its magic. Number 1. Carpet stains, gone in a flash. We've all been there. A glass of red wine spills on the carpet, or your dog decides to leave a surprise. Before you panic, reach for the baking soda. When mixed with vinegar, baking soda creates a fizzing chemical reaction that works wonders to lift stains. Just sprinkle it on the affected area, let it sit for a bit, and then vacuum up the mess. Goodbye stains, hello clean carpet. The bubbly reaction works by lifting the stain particles from the carpet fibers, making them easier to vacuum up. It's a simple, eco-friendly, and cost-effective way to keep your carpets looking pristine without using harsh chemicals. And don't worry, this method works on various types of stains, from food spills to pet accidents. So, next time disaster strikes, you'll be prepared with your trusty baking soda. Now that you know the many benefits of baking soda, it's time to add it to your daily routine. And hey, if you've got any fun or unexpected uses for baking soda, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your own baking soda hacks. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the best solutions are found in the most unexpected places.